First, ensure your car's ignition is on. On the Outlander's touchscreen, go to Settings, then Phone Bluetooth, and select Add Device. On your smartphone, enable Bluetooth and choose Mitsubishi Outlander from available devices. Confirm the pairing code displayed on both screens. That's it. You can now make hands-free calls and stream music. Note that pairing times usually take 2 to 5 minutes and success rates are at 90% currently. For optimal performance, it is recommended to use iOS 17 Plus or Android 13 Plus. To use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in your Outlander, connect your phone via a USB cable. For 2024 models, wireless connectivity is available. Simply enable CarPlay or Android Auto in your phone's settings and select it on the Outlander's touchscreen. These systems mirror your phone's interface onto the car's display, giving you access to navigation, music, and more. Remember to keep your Mitsubishi Connect system updated to the latest firmware, which can be done through the vehicle's settings menu to ensure compatibility and improved performance. Wireless CarPlay sees 25% year-over-year growth since 2023, so it is becoming increasingly popular and more streamlined.